Hi, one really quick video going through box plots. There's a lot to cover here, so I'm going to jump straight in. So you can see here what we've actually got is we've got a stem and leaf diagram drawn here. It says the following data shows the ages of 15 teachers at school. So you've got the key, which says 2 line 3 means 23 years. So that's 23, 24, 30, 31, 35, 33, 35, etc., etc. So smallest age is 23, highest age is 57. It then says express this data as a box plot. So you've got your line here. What it's asking you to do is draw this as a box plot. So here's a couple of things that you need to make sure you know how to do. So first of all, to find the lower quartile, you take how many pieces of data there are, you add 1 and you divide by 4. Why? Because a quarter is out of 4 parts. So 15 pieces of data plus 1 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So you go to the fourth piece of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 31. So my lower quartile is 31. To find the median, you do the same thing, but instead of dividing by 4, you divide by 2, because the median is half. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 45, you can see it written there. 45 is your median. And then the last one to do the upper quartile, which is 3/4 of the data. You take how many pieces of data there are here, plus 1 divided by 4. So it's the same as what we did here, but this time you times by 3. So we know that that gives us 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So you're looking for the 12th piece of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 53. Once you've got these, you know your lowest value is 23, you know your highest value is 57. You can put it onto a box plot like this here. So 23 being my lowest, 57 being my highest. You can see here the blue one there is 31, the red one there is 45, 53 is my upper quartile. That's what my box plot would look like. Okay, so you're taking those pieces of data from here, putting them on here. The next bit then, it will say compare the ages at school A with the ages of teachers at school B. So we've already done school A there. Here is school B. So we've been given a box plot for school B. We need to think where it says compare the ages, there's 2 things you need to talk about. So I'm just going to zoom out a bit so you can see. So 2 things. First, you always talk about the median. So here you can see the median is 40, and the median here is 45. So you can say the median of school A is higher. You must use this word higher or lower than school B. So 45 compared to 40. So we can say the median here is 45 compared to that. Always compare the median. And then the next thing you choose is one of the ranges. You either do the range, which is from here to here, or from here to here. In this case, the ranges of school A is slightly lower, 34 compared to 35. Or the other thing you compare is the interquartile range. Now, the interquartile range is the width of the box. So here it goes from 35 to 50, which is a range of 15, an interquartile range of 15. Whereas in school A, the interquartile range is from 31 to 53, which is 22. So the interquartile range of school A is higher. Notice I've said higher again than school B. So a couple of things, always compare the median and then one of the ranges. Okay, and that's box plots very quickly in a nutshell for you. Hasn't come up yet in the 2023 series, so worth going through.